Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the volume for the controller speaker on your PlayStation 5. Now you could even completely turn this off by moving the slider to the left. So we can press the PlayStation button and then open up this quick menu and then scroll on over to sound right here. And then I do have my audio device set to my TV. If I set it to my headset, well, I'm going to see my headset volume right here, so I have to have it set to my TV. Then I can see my controller speaker under here, and I have it turned all the way up because sometimes I use this as my microphone and I like to hear people talk through it. But I can scroll this all the way to the left and completely disable it and mute it. Otherwise I can move it to the right a little bit more. So I'm going to go to about 80% right there, and then I can go on down. Now we do have the option for a microphone right here. And your controller does indeed have a microphone on it. And we can adjust the microphone level right here if we want. So you can adjust it and move it to the left or right. So I'm going to mute it by pressing this button. So my microphone is muted on my controller. Now there is another way that we can change the volume for the controller. So if we go to settings and then scroll on down to sound, under here we can see volume on the bottom. And we have controller speaker. So you can adjust it under here as well. And then you have headphones when you plug in the headphones. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.